During call on your Sony wireless headphone CH510, do you feel the microphone just keeps pausing or disconnecting? Maybe it doesn't work at all, or you're facing the sidecar echo problem? Well, let's see how to solve all these microphone issues right from any Android phone. Now, if your headset works just fine on music but not on phone calls, go to the Bluetooth section. From there to CH510 settings and make sure to allow headset for phone calls as well. If your headphone microphone keeps pausing or disconnecting during a call, please remember if you accidentally press on the center button for 2 seconds, the call device will switch between the Bluetooth headset and your Android phone. Now, even after that, your Bluetooth headphone is not automatically selected on call. Don't forget to select it from this menu right here. Now, your microphone not working problem should be solved after that. If you're using any third-party app for call and facing the same issue, go to Settings, from there to App. Enter the app you're facing this problem, to Permission, and make sure to allow microphone right from here. This will go for both your phone's microphone and any Bluetooth headset you're using for call as well. If everything is fine, but during call you hear your own voice echo facing sidecar problem, it's recommended that if possible, to avoid this issue, make sure to have a distance of 50 cm to 20 inches between your phone and the headset while calling. Now, your microphone problem should be solved after that. Now, just in case it's still bothering you, go to the Bluetooth section, and from here, forget CH510. Now, after that, just reset your headset by pressing and holding the power button and volume down button for 7 seconds till you see blue LED blinks 4 times. The hard reset is done. After that, just go ahead, pair it with your phone again, and I'm absolutely sure with that note, your microphone problem will be solved for good. Thanks for being with us and see you again.